Good, my people, back again with another one. So as you can see, we've got that Jumpman with the flight logo on this box. I like the color of this box a lot, but as I get a lot of comments saying please stop talking about the box, I think I got to listen to the haters and stop talking about the box. But yeah, so the box has this grey Jumpman and Nike SB on the box also. It's like a kind of, I don't know what to call it, laminated type of box. And then on the label, which is the important bit, it says Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. SP, I believe, means special project or special projects. I'm not too sure, I'll be honest. Pause it here if you want to read all the rest. The style code is DR5415100. And let's get into the good bit. Removable lid, which I kind of like, to be honest. And here we go. So the Air Jordan 4 SB. This isn't the pine green version, as you can tell. This is the navy blue version. I do really like the pine green version. The prices on those is crazy. Usually when there's another variation, the prices do go down. So when it came to this shoe, it was about £205–210 retail. They also did re-release again at that retail price on some Christmas sneakers days stuff. I can't remember the full ins and outs of it, but all I do know is Nike said we're dropping a few days of heat. Every day we'll drop something like a re-release or a shock drop or whatever. One of the days it was this for about £210. I said I don't want to pay that retail price because it's a bit steep. Well, no, it's not a bit steep. It's very steep to me, to be honest. 210 is crazy. So when I had the opportunity to grab these below retail, they kept coming up below retail, and I thought no, yes, no, yes. And then I thought, you know what, I need to get this pair. So that's me just waffling my little story about this pair, but now I've got them in hand, so I'm happy. So we'll go straight to the bottom of the shoe. You've got not a full gum sole. You've got a gum heel and a gum toe. I don't know why, but that's what we're going to call it. So gum heel, gum toe, which again, I do like. I'll be honest, I do like that. It's not rubbish. So yeah, I like that a lot. Red Nike swoosh, and then white for the rest of it. So white, gum, and red. Not bad at all. Then, as you can see, the gum heel at the back, and then you can see more white, red airbag. And then we've got navy blue, and again the gum. I think that works really well, to be honest. I think a full gum sole may have ruined, or could have ruined, the look of the shoe. I'm not mad at them. I like it like this. Then the upper, we've got a lovely white leather, literally going around the toe box, all the way around to the other side of the shoe on the upper. And then of course we've got that good old mesh, white mesh, and then the kind of like the netting on top. Obviously Air Jordan 4s always have the mesh, nearly always. I've only seen a few pairs without it, so yeah, mesh right there. Then we've got the wings. The wings on these is very soft compared to other Air Jordan 4s. That's because it's the SB version, so it's quite soft. Look at that. I don't think the other ones, well, they can do that, but not as easy. Very soft. And then obviously the front, we've got a lovely suede toe or toe box, toe wraparound. Forget the name of it. Could even be called Vamp. I don't know. I'm probably getting it wrong. I really should know this stuff. I'm not an expert, but I should know this stuff. But yeah, I'm not sure if I like the grey suede. It's a bit random on the shoe, but it's there and it works. But I'm not sure if I really like it. If I was being extra, I could say it should have just been white leather or yeah, something else. But yeah, we've got that suede all around. Then obviously we've got that mesh and the netting again, white laces. We've got the Flight logo on the tongue, which comes on all the Air Jordan 4s, stitched in. This has got white and navy and a bit of red as the Jumpman. Then on the back, the good bit, so it says Nike SB. So I love it when it says Nike Air, but obviously Nike SB because they are SB 4s. So yeah, and also this bit, which if I'm honest, it should be like this on all the Jordan 4s, a soft heel tab. I've had a lot of mates say this bit digs into their heels and stuff. They're not happy with the way that is. Yeah, I definitely think it should be like this on all the Jordans. It's not rock solid. And then obviously the inside, we've got Nike SB on the insole and it's red. So I do like the little red hints, but I do have to say I would have loved it if they released the red version of these or burgundy version. If you don't know what they are, don't know what they look like, you can see them. They're a friends and family version. I believe the story is that the red one was supposed to be released. They ended up making that for just friends and family, and then we got the blue ones, which I'm not mad about, but I really would like a red or burgundy pair as well, because those look so good. And I think I'll be able to wear them with many more outfits than I would these, because I'm a bit OCD sometimes. So you know, I got to match a lot of the navies and the blues up. But yeah, I like the shoe a lot. If I was to rate it, I'm going to give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's very difficult for me to give a shoe a 10 out of 10, but a 9 out of 10 is basically a 10 out of 10 without me saying 10 out of 10. Really lovely shoe. Heard a lot of good things about the comfort on these. Haven't worn them yet, as you can tell. But yeah, maybe we'll get around to wearing them. Maybe I'll do a month of wear and post a video. But without me waffling on too long, make sure you like, make sure you comment and share, subscribe. Check out all of the content, please, my people. Check out all the videos. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video of this shoe. I also post on-foot videos separately, so go check those out. And most importantly, take care, my people.